Hello student, we discuss topic instruction set and programming of 8085 microprocessor today. Unit load instruction in 8085 instruction. Firstly, we see the instruction LXI RP, 16-bit data. Whenever this type of instruction is executed, then what happen, a 16-bit image data given in instruction is addressed as register pair address given in instruction. That means this instruction is used to initialize or initiated or load immediate address to register pair. So this instruction is called as initialize register pair instruction. In LXI register pair, the register pair may be any one of valid register pair such as HL, BC or DE. But in instruction, the operand is specified as high order register. That is, whenever you have HL register pair, then H is given. Whenever BC register is initialized, then B is given. Whenever DE register pair is initialized, D is given. And whenever SP is initialized, then SP is given. And 16-bit data is any valid address is from 0000H to FFH. I give notification here. Its addressing mode is immediate as well as register indirect. Why it is immediate? Because 16-bit data is given as one operand and register pair addressed which point to the address of register pair, so that it addressing mode is register indirect, but purely it is immediate addressing mode. Length of this instruction is 3 byte. Flag, no flags are affected for this instruction, and example I can give here. Then practically I tell this concept. Suppose instruction LXI B and 3400H is given, then what happened? The address of BC register pair is 3400H. That means in B register you have 34H and in C register 00H whenever this instruction is executed. Whenever I give as like this LXI D 45 FFH, then what happened? The address of D register pair is 45 FFH. Then in D register 45H and E register FFH. Whenever I initialize such like LXI SP 3211, then SPH address, that is SP address is 3211H. Whenever I give as like this LXI H 467H 77H, then initialize HL address is 4677H. I execute this. You see here, observe this. B register BC address is 3400H, DE address is 45FFH, HL address is 4677H, and SP address is 3211H. Then next instruction LDA 16-bit data. Whenever this type of instruction is executed, then load accumulator direct. That means the address 16-bit address given in instruction or memory location given in instruction, that content is directly loaded in accumulator. Note here 16-bit data is any one address, that is from 000h to FFH. Addressing mode is direct because 16-bit data is appeared as one operand, not intermediate register, that is in between opcode and 16-bit data. There is no intermediate register is used, so that it addressing mode is direct. Length is 3 byte. Flag, no flags are affected. Example as like this, LDA 4500H. Then what happened? The content of 4500H is copied to A. Look practically. LDA 4500H. In 4500H, the data I have initialized as like 67H. Before execution, A is equal to 00H. Whenever I execute this instruction, then what happen? In A, 67H is appeared here. Then instruction LDAX register pair. This instruction load accumulator indirect with register pair content. That is, whenever this type of instruction is executed, then content of register pair address given in instruction is indirectly loaded in accumulator. That is, whenever we want to load accumulator with register pair memory location content, then this instruction is used. In as an operand, you have specified any valid register pair, but with this instruction BC and DE register is used. That is, you cannot be used SP and HL register pair here. Addressing mode register indirect because it point to the address of register pair. Length is 1 byte. Flag, no flags are affected. Example LDXB. Then what happened? The content of BC address is loaded in accumulator. See practically. Suppose I initialize BC address 4500H. In 4500H, I take here 89H. Then I give instruction LDAXB. What happened? The content of BC address is loaded in A. Look here, A is equal to 89H. Then instruction LHLD address. Whenever this instruction is executed, then load HL direct. That means whenever there is 16-bit data and that data is stored in two consecutive locations, then you load that data in HL. That is, in instruction LSB address is given and automatically MSB address is loaded to H and LSB address given in instruction loaded in L. That is, whenever this instruction executed, then address content of address given in instruction, that is loaded in L register, and its next consecutive address content is loaded in H register. Addressing mode is direct